Hello everyone, welcome to the another video by the Ancient Trader, and today is the 11th of July, the Monday. I expected the market to gap down and it did, as the cryptocurrency market had reduced by 2 to 3% and the euro has depreciated drastically with the dollar as well as the Indian rupee, so the recession looms goes around. Yeah, before that, let's have a look into the performance which is currently going on with my trades. So I have roughly made around 24,000 since entering this trade together on Thursday, and let's see what's happening. So this is my current range and I'm exactly at around 21,000 profits, which is like 0.6%. And as you all know that I target around 1%, so that is like 33k. And if we'll go and look into the markets, I think today's market was like not so volatile, but I think it's a stable market trying to consolidate and trying to move up currently, and we don't know what might be the levels which would be here. So I assume that for tomorrow the levels would be around testing around this levels, or maybe today. So the goal is for me is to move something around or create a adjustment so that this could be sort of dealt with what might happen. So I feel that this could be a little bit high. As you all know that Wednesday is the CPI inflation data from USA. As per some of the reports that they are expecting 8.8%, but in case if the values are quite less, we might gap up on Thursday. So the idea is to quit the trade as quickly as possible on Wednesday afternoon or something like that. So this is what I would like to do. So in this trade which I have been showing around, this is a quite good amount of profit, and as you see, if the market moves considerably higher also, I wouldn't make much, and if it goes lower, I would be making some amount of money. And the payoff diagram looks like this. There is the break even till 4,000, 16,500 if market moves up 1.8% tomorrow, and it's around 3.45%. I don't think the market would hit our 3% circuit tomorrow, so I was planning to do some modification to this trade, so that just to see if I can escape by Wednesday or Tuesday. So for this, what I plan to do is, in the trades currently you see that the values of the premiums of the CE and PE has gone very low. So what the idea intention is to grab some more premiums by selling 15,600 and 16,600, and I would push this 16,100 CE a little bit behind so that my profit, the mid-range, becomes quite high and I stay in a very comfortable trade. So let's have a look at what would happen if I change over this. As you can see, the premiums are at around 3 rupees. So I would just go ahead and close both of them at 3 rupees, and also this. So since the market is around 16,600 as the 100-day moving average, so I plan to sell at around 100-day moving average, and I would be careful if market goes below the 50-day moving average currently. So I'll go ahead and sell 40 lots, and then 16,600 CE, and sell 40 lots. This is what the trade would look like. It's a little bit biased on the negative side, so what I'll try to do is bring it exactly in the middle. So for that I will try to move this 16,100 CE to 16,000 CE. So that would mean that I go ahead and close this at 227, and now I would go ahead and buy 16,000 PC. Sorry, the reason to do this is quite simple. The in the money ATM buys usually loses its value quite low, and even if the market comes down to 16,000, I would still have the premium, a higher premium than whatever the 16,100 would have. Now as you can see with this move from 21,000, the middle range is around 34,000, and the break even is a little bit closer for me now. But the idea is to look into the break even for tomorrow. As you can remember, that was around 16,480, now it is 16,420, and this was 15,600, and this is like 15,700. And if the market stays within this range or somewhere around 16,300 or something like that, I would be making a very good amount of profits. In the downside, it's around 3% again. On the upside, I still can manage up to 16,400. So this is what my trade would look like tomorrow, and this would be for Wednesday 16,500 and 15,600. This would fetch me by Wednesday morning 30k. Let's see if we are getting into trouble with this trade. I would go ahead and probably place this trade. I'll just save it, and I will make the changes later, and I will project the how it is performing tomorrow. And then the reason for this is that selecting is this: the max pain is at around 16,150, and there is a high open interest over here, and the open interest over here is quite low. So in case if the market breaks at around 16,000, we can expect it to go and touch 15,800. That's my ideology. And over here to 16,000 has overtaken, so I'm slightly bullish, at least from the open interest view. And probably I will go ahead and do this and see what the market would give me. I think the market could touch 16,200 by the end of the day, and these values are increasing. Let's see what I can do for tomorrow's trade, and currently it's around 19,000 as we speak. Okay, so I'll go ahead and place the trades and see what happens, and I'll update you guys tomorrow. I hope if you have any queries, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you all. Have a nice day.